Okay, here is a little mean value theorem problem. It's one that we had that's in our unit guide, and we are given a function negative x squared plus 5. And part A asks us to find the equation of the secant line, joining the points negative 1, 4 and 2, 1. Okay, so our graph looks like this. Parabola with a maximum, oh that's terrible, where that's 5. And we're drawing a secant line through negative 1, 4 and 2, 1. So something kind of like that would be what our line looks like. So the secant line, first we need the slope. And the slope is just change in y over change in x, same slope formula. So we get negative 3 over 3, which is negative 1. So the equation of that secant line, I'm going to choose this point right here, I like him better, is going to be y minus 1 equals negative 1 x minus 2. All right, part B asks us to use the mean value theorem to determine a point C in the interval negative 1, 2, such that the tangent line at C is parallel to the secant line. So that's the mean value theorem. The mean value theorem says that if our function is continuous and differentiable, which the function definitely is on this interval because it's continuous and differentiable everywhere, there must be a place where we've got a tangent line parallel to our secant line. So here's our secant. If I were just eyeballing, I would say that that would be our parallel tangent line. The way that we find that location is with a little bit of algebra. So here, this says that the slope of the tangent, right, that's the slope of the tangent, is somewhere equal to the slope of the secant. Now we know that the slope of the secant, let's see, we're doing this from negative 1 to 2. We already found that slope. We know that that's equal to negative 1. And the derivative, let's see, if f prime of x is negative 2x, then f prime of c is negative 2c. So that means that at 1/2, we have a tangent line that's parallel to our secant line. And then for part C, if we're to find the equation of that line, all right, so our x value is 1/2. We know the slope is negative 1. We need a y value, so f of 1/2 so we've got negative 1/4 plus 5, which is 19/4. So the equation is y minus 19/4 equals, we know the slope is negative 1, x minus 1/2.